bike sounds extremely cammed, but it's literally just got a slip on. Time to show off my lack of riding prowess on this bike because I haven't rode it in over a year. Something about riding a sport bike wearing cowboy boots that just scratches an itch in my brain. Ugh, man, I enjoy riding a lot. I don't even know what to say. I'm just out here saying bullshit. So it's cool being back on the bike. It's been down for a year for little shit that I just didn't really feel like dicking with, you know. Tire, brakes. Gotta run my brights because the headlight's blown, or that the low beam is out. Which is whatever. I'll switch them out to LED eventually. I just bought the wrong ones and can't return them because they put them in packaging where you have to fucking Hulk smash your way through it to get the damn lights out, which ruins any chance of fucking like returning that shit. Like, what the fuck? I forgot how much fun it is to ride this one. Like, I enjoy my Harley. Like, I enjoy both the Harleys, but this one just, I don't know, it scratches an itch, you know? The kind of itch you probably don't want to tell people you have, because then they'll be like, oh, who'd you get it from, anal? It's finally turning green here, too. Oh my gosh. It only took until the beginning of May. I'm so glad this new slip-on is so crackly. The one I rode with last year was just a shitty little GP slip-on style thing, and I ended up hating it. I rode with it for 2 years and I couldn't anymore. This actually has it behind me, so it sounds more like an actual import JDM kind of whine instead of oh my gosh, my eardrums are gonna blow up kind of whine, you know? Hopefully if you're watching this, you're not expecting me to talk about a whole lot of anything interesting. This is just me riding the bike and occasionally a comment or two. I just missed riding it, you know? Still got to get back in the practice of cornering on this bike, so I apologize if there's any street Rossies that are like, oh my god, you're so bad at riding. Yeah, honestly, I mainly commute on this bike now, so I don't even really like ride it that hard. I mean, I might get on it, but I'm not like trying to tuck knee going through corners and shit, which is blasphemy for a sport bike. I get it, but man, fuck off. 85-point look. work ahead. I sure hope it does. Okay. Stupid dad joke aside. See if I still got it. I don't think I have it still, but we'll find out. Or I'll crash, and you're gonna be, oh my god, he crashed, what an ass. Yep, I am. How'd you know? I can't full tuck, I got a backpack and a hood blocking my fucking head from going back. No, no. Best y'all get. There's a lot of wind. This is how naked bike guys feel, right? Fuck, man. Super courses, don't film me now. Gotta put my helmet up so it catches the fucking wind. Ah! Wind noise! It's gonna look so much cooler in my head than on the fucking camera. I guarantee it. I really need to practice my right hands. I don't know why I'm so bad at those ones. Like I said, Street Ross is probably, oh my god, you're bad at all of them. Stop kidding yourself. Anyway, have a good day, guys. I'm back on the Honda and I'm happy.